Hello, students. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of matter and how it changes from one form to another. We'll learn about solid, liquid, and gas states, how temperature and pressure affect these states, the processes involved, and some cool examples from our daily lives. So let's get started. First, let's explore how matter changes its state. Water is a great example to illustrate changing states. At room temperature, water is a liquid. But when you lower the temperature enough, it turns into ice, a solid. If you heat it up, it becomes steam, a gas. These changes happen because the tiny particles that make up matter gain or lose energy. Now let's discover how temperature affects the state of matter. When you heat a solid like ice, the temperature increases. The particles start vibrating more, eventually breaking free and becoming a liquid. This is called melting. When you heat a liquid like water, it gets hotter. The particles move faster and some escape into the air as gas. This process is known as evaporation. Cooling a liquid like water makes the particles lose energy and slow down, eventually turning it into a solid. This is called freezing. When you cool a gas like steam, its particles slow down and come together to form liquid droplets. This is called condensation. Moving on to boiling, melting, and freezing points. The boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid turns into a gas. For water, that's 100 degrees Celsius. The melting point is where a solid becomes a liquid. Ice melts to water at 0 degrees Celsius. The freezing point is where a liquid turns into a solid, which is also 0 degrees Celsius for water. Next, let's talk about how pressure affects states of matter. Increasing pressure on a gas forces its particles together, causing it to condense into a liquid. Applying pressure to a liquid can make it solidify, as the particles get pushed closer together. Under high pressure, a gas can turn directly into a solid without becoming a liquid first. This process is called deposition. Sometimes a solid can turn straight into a gas without becoming a liquid. This is called sublimation, and it can happen under pressure too. Evaporation is another cool process. It's when a liquid like water changes into a gas, usually because of heat. Particles in a liquid are constantly moving, and some with higher energy break free and become vapor. As they escape, they absorb energy, which causes a cooling effect. That's why you might feel chilly after swimming. Finally, let's learn about latent heat. This is the energy needed to change states without changing temperature. The latent heat of fusion is the energy needed for a solid to turn into a liquid or vice versa. The latent heat of vaporization is the energy required for a liquid to become a gas, or back at its boiling or condensation point. Now here is a question for you. When a gas is cooled, what process causes it to become a liquid? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.